In every journey toward wealth, there comes a moment when the path grows dark. Not because danger is guaranteed, but because you cannot yet see what lies ahead. Some call it uncertainty, some call it risk, but in my village, we call it the dark forest. A place where shadows move, where whispers mislead, and where the unprepared wander in circles.
But there is an old Shona proverb that guides us. Do not fear the dark. Find the lantern. Today, we walk into that forest together. Fear is not the enemy. Ignorance is. The darkness tests whether you will seek the light. And in money, that light is wisdom. Whether parent or teen, this forest is the same. But how you walk can be different.
Thanks, Omari and Amara. Let's see what this dark forest looks like in real life. When you start investing, everything feels uncertain. Every opportunity looks shiny. But there are three major traps that catch most beginners. Spot these and you walk with confidence.
We'll keep it simple, no jargon, just clear signs. Once you know danger's face, you're safer than most.
Trap 1 is the easiest, the shiny fruit. Looks sweet, looks easy. Guaranteed returns. Risk-free. Act now. If they promise to double your money in a month, that's not fruit. That's bait.
Real investing takes time. Real investing has risk. Real investing is transparent. If you can't explain how the money grows, walk away.
The brightest fruit grows closest to the trap. Its glow is not a gift. It is a warning.
Trap 2. The whispering trees. The voices everywhere. Social media. Influencers. Friends. Everyone's doing it. Opinions are loud. Wisdom is rare.
Bad advice doesn't always sound bad. Sometimes it sounds confident. Sometimes exciting. Test it. Do they explain risk? Do they have a track record? Do they teach principles, not hype? If not, it's just wind.
The trees whisper many things. The wise listen to the silence between the words. The truth that doesn't change, no matter who speaks.
Trap 3, the hidden pits, the quiet killers, high fees, no diversification, chasing trends, investing money you can't afford to lose. They look normal, but drain wealth slowly.
You don't fall because you're careless. You fall because you didn't see the hole. Knowledge is your first lantern.
A traveler without light fears every shadow. A traveler with a lantern fears nothing.
There are 3 lanterns. Knowledge, patience, diversification.
Knowledge. Ask 4 questions. What am I investing in? What are the risks? What's the timeline? What's the purpose? If you can answer clearly, you're already ahead. Knowledge doesn't remove the darkness. It helps you see through it.
Patience. Wealth grows slow, scams grow fast. Patience isn't waiting. It's choosing not to rush. If it's too good, too quick, your patience is your protection.
Diversification. Don't rely on one path. Mix assets. Skip trends. Keep your emergency fund separate. If one tree falls, your journey continues.
Now the map. Move with intent.
Step 1, the clearing. Your safe base camp, emergency fund, manage debt.
Step 2, plant the seed. Start early. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today.
The forest is only dangerous to those who walk without light.
You've seen the traps, the lanterns, and the map. Now choose one step, just one, this week.
Follow Tiny Mike Big Wisdom for your weekly dose of financial confidence.
And timeless wisdom for modern life.